Good morning. Today it's like the 13th. Actually I'll just go check. I don't know. I think we only have a few more days left of the festival. Yeah, we only have a week left of the festival. Okay, they're not listening. But it's day 6 of Raw, and I like it because it's cheaper, because to eat here you have to like spend money, but when you buy food in bulk it's cheaper and you can just bring food, so that's good. Because I'm spending a lot of cash money ATM that I probably shouldn't. Also, speaking of spending cash money, I got a selfie stick, which is what I'm using. So handy. It's a very good investment. Anyway, today we're going to the sticky waterfalls. I was meant to get up and go to the gym, but I fell asleep through the alarm, so that didn't really happen. So I'm feeling a bit lazy, not exercising as much as I should, but that's okay. Or not should, but want to. But yeah, so we're going to the sticky waterfalls at 10 and the cleaner's coming at 9, so we have to leave here in about an hour, and I need to have breakfast. And I think Sinead's bringing me up a watermelon. How do you even work this thing? You are just really shit party in here. Okay, breakfast time. So I've got watermelon, which Sinead cut up for me, and mango and banana, and it's got lime on it as well. Day 6 of Raw. Breakfast done. Now we have to leave the house by 9 because the cleaner's coming, and we haven't heard if we're going to the waterfall still or not. But either way, I need to get dressed and I need to have a shower. So see you after I do all that. How many kilometers? I don't know.
Like 21, 22.
10.
No, on Google Maps it says 17 point something. We're not in miles. No, we're in America. Yeah, so 10 miles. That's a lot.
Oh, I thought you said about the level.
Oh, you made me look bad on camera. We're talking about how far.
We rode so far.
How far?
And the hills were huge.
Yeah.
Many miles.
Many miles.
You know how
It was been 2 days.
2 days of just riding.
2 days of just
And I have walked 10,000 miles.
I will walk 10,000 more.
When I wake up, well I know I'm gonna be the man who wakes up next to you. When I go out, yeah I know I'm gonna be the man who goes along with you. If I get drunk, well I know I'm gonna be the man who gets drunk next to you. And if I heave up, yeah I know I'm gonna be the man who's heaving to you. But I would walk 500 miles and I would walk 500 more just to be the man who walked 1,000 miles to fall down at your door.
We've made it to the waterfalls. It was a bloody ride and a half to get here, and then it was a hike and a half to get to this bit. But is it time to swim? Yeah, let's definitely.
I'm gonna be the man who's working hard for you. And when the money comes in for the work I do, I'll pass almost every penny on to you.
We made it! Finally. I'm sweating. So time.
And if I broke, well I know I'm gonna be the man who's going over you. But I would walk 500 miles and I would walk 500 more just to be the man who walked 1,000 miles to fall down at your door.
My vagina. Is that too much information? Probably. Okay, wow. So we just got back. It's nearly 6 o'clock and far out. So when we started to walk down back from the top of the waterfalls, level 10, it started raining. We're like, fuck, we're gonna get caught in the rain. And then it started thundering. We're like, okay, fuck, we're gonna get caught in a storm. So we got to like the bottom where we put our lights and we just stayed under the shelter there for a bit. And then we're like, okay, well we might as well start riding. So we rode, and it was raining and we just rode and rode. And I actually feel like, sorry mum, but I feel like I've just like been very violently, maybe not violently, but like my vagina is really sore pretty much, and so is my bum, and oh my god, I'm a little bit hangry. We are very wet and we are very tired. Sinead, how are we feeling?
Dead.
Dead. But we can't sit down for too long because we've got to shower, leave and eat, because otherwise
We
we'll die.
cycled 58 kilometers.
That's the longest I've ever cycled in my life. Wow. It's probably not much. People are probably watching this and are like, that's not even much.
58 kilometers? Damn, that sounds pretty long to me.
Does it? Yeah, but like for professional people.
Yeah, but for people who have ridden, like, you
We-
count it on your fingers
Yeah.
how many times we've ridden. It's pretty good.
It's pretty good. Look at my hand burn. I don't know if it'll show up. Oh yeah, you can see my tan line.
We're
Look at
cyclists,
that.
Tan.
We're cyclists because we're professionals, bro. Okay, that's just a little update for you. So now I'm gonna shower. And then we're gonna go for dinner.
Yeah.
And I've got to eat my mangoes because I'm still doing raw, but I'm really contemplating not doing raw.
You're going to need a lot of mangoes.
I'm gonna need a lot of mangoes.
We burnt almost 2,000 calories because Strava tracks it.
Wowzers. That's a lot of fucking mango. I don't know if I can eat that much. We will see. You will see. After this, it'll be like close-ups of food, and I guess you'll see what I end up eating.
Look at my hair.
Wow.
Sexy.
So windswept and rugged.
It's a touristy stuff, but it's like, I don't do that stuff normally. You know?
Yeah.
You kind of look good for the camera. Yeah, you are.
Okay.
Lizards.
it every time I vlog. We go to Happy Green, but it's really good and it's a buffet, so we don't have to wait for food. So you can kind of tell why we're here right now. Oh my gosh, they've got 5 stars. This is so exciting. So I might not have to break raw.
To where I wanna be.
Check this out. It's actually really heavy, so I can't hold it up for that long. I've managed to still do raw, but I had to improvise a little bit with mangoes. Oh shit.